Welcome to the Fibercommand XG Professional HDMI Fiber Optic Cable. The best HDMI cable on the market, delivering the best quality at full 4K 8K HDR to TVs and projectors. Like no other. Compared to major fiber optic and high-end HDMI cables, the Fibercommand XG delivers a much higher full-speed bandwidth with no lag or errors. Including the newest ultra-high-speed sound and video controls, as well as streaming network connections for a perfect installation within the same size of a regular HDMI cable. The Fibercommand XG supports all the newest HDMI 2.1 full 48 gigabit formats, including 8K HDR to connect top televisions and projectors. All 4K formats are supported, including 120Hz, 444, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision or Atmos, with any HDCP including 2.3 or higher. Of course, the Fibercommand XG fiber optic HDMI cable supports any other format, including 1440p at 360Hz for gaming and 1080p for HD TVs. Compatible with any home theater system, the Fibercommand XG is the best HDMI cable for HD, 4K, and 8K AV receivers and smart home video matrix systems. Delivering video and sound with perfect quality at 48 gigabit speeds from the source to the TV or projector. True original quality without any compression, loss, lag, or delay. But why is the Fibercommand XG the best HDMI cable on the market? Let's compare it to another brand using two professional 8K signal analyzers. On the right side, the 50-foot-long Fibercommand XG shows a clear 8K digital signal with no errors. On the left side, the other brand's 10-foot-long 8K HDMI cable shows a huge distortion with a lot of HDMI data errors. This is why the Fibercommand XG delivers the best TV and projector video quality. Fibercommand XG also replaces the HDMI over Cat 6, 7, and 8 technology, where expensive HDMI adapters compress and lose the video quality to overcome the Ethernet cable's low-speed bottleneck. Why can't Cat 6, 7, 8 pass 4K 8K? Let's feed just 700 megabits to a Cat 6 and see what the results are with our professional analyzer. The Cat 6 has so many errors at just 700 megabits that it will not pass true 4K 8K at 48 gigabit speeds. Whereas the Fibercommand technology can pass via standard wall plates, delivering perfect and uncompressed zero lag 4K 8K with zero errors. The Fibercommand XG fiber optic HDMI cable's installation is simple and quick anywhere. The XG HDMI cable is in-wall and plenum rated for residential or commercial, and can pass through conduits or behind walls by simply pulling our Kevlar wire with a fish tape. When installed, remove the braided sleeve, then the plastic protection. Now the Fibercommand XG is ready to be connected. Now let's connect the detachable HDMI fiber optic plugs to the main cable. There are two plugs, one is the source, one is the display. The source goes to your AV receiver or HDMI source. The display goes to your TV or projector. The cable is bidirectional, so you can invert the plugs as needed. These are the couplers used to connect the cable. Remove the protective caps as they will not be needed. Now remove the protective caps from the HDMI. And remove the protective cap from the cable. Now use the coupler to connect the detachable HDMI to the cable. Look for the coupler and cable keys to match and then push it in until it is locked and secured. Repeat the same for the cable. Now connect the digital control link and the gold audio return channel link. Now the HDMI is ready to be connected to the source as we are using the source plug here. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the cable for the display HDMI plug to connect to your TV or projector, available via wall plates. As an example, let's see how to connect a 4K 8K AV receiver to a TV or projector. On the AV receiver, we will connect the ARC eARC audio return channel HDMI output to the HDMI plug marked as source. The same happens if you use any other type of HDMI source. On the TV or projector side, we will connect the ARC eARC HDMI input with the HDMI plug marked as display. The Fibercommand XG comes with one advanced link plug, which is very important for many applications. In this example, we will use it to connect the AV receiver remote control to the TV or projector remote control. Connect the other side of the cable to the TV IR control so that the TV will send commands to the AV receiver using a TV remote or any other universal remote control. But that's not all. The Fibercommand XG supports the next generation 4K 8K TV streaming, providing proper data speed from your modem to the TV, eliminating network lag, downscaling, and buffering. Connect the Fibercommand XG Ultra Network Gold plug to your modem or switch. Then, on the other side of the cable, connect the TV or projector network port, so the streaming will be perfect. If you use a projector, the connections are exactly the same. But why should you use the Fibercommand XG network for your TV and gaming? This is the latest generation Cat6 cable under test for 4K 8K high-speed streaming, and as you can see, it fails. Now let's do the same 4K 8K high-speed streaming test with the Fibercommand XG Ultra network, and as you can see, it passes with no problems. The advanced link plug can be used for many applications such as XLR analog or digital balanced audio, RCA analog or digital audio, low or high-speed serial RS-232 or 485, as well as triggers or GPI or custom dual signals over screw terminals. Smart home hubs or infrared remote hubs to control hidden devices from the room using adhesive control repeater eyes. And as an absolute zero-lag USB extender to control computers or gaming from the room. Use the Fibercommand XG Advanced Link to feed the in-room subwoofer sound with perfect quality, no noise, and most importantly without the very annoying and difficult to adjust lag, typical of all HDMI extenders. Using a simple RCA adapter, connect the subwoofer output on the AV receiver. Then connect the in-room subwoofer the same way. Available via wall plates. Compatible with XLR-style balanced speakers and AV receivers. You can also use the Fibercommand XG Advanced Link to play any smart home device music over the AV receiver to the room speakers. Available via wall plates. And compatible to Bluetooth receivers to play your phone's music. The Fibercommand XG Advanced Link can also be used as a perfect USB extender to connect any in-room gaming controller, keyboard, or mouse with a Bluetooth dongle to the AV closet, allowing the control of game consoles or computers with absolutely no input lag. Also available with standard wall plates for a clean and perfect installation. The Fibercommand XG Advanced Link can also be used as a bidirectional serial or GPI control, with no limit to formats, protocols, and speeds. Use a screw terminal adapter to connect your signals. The XG can also remote control multiple devices via our infrared hub, which comes with 10 adhesive eyes to control up to 10 hidden devices. Simply connect the XG link to the hub. Then connect one output to the AV receiver control. Now every infrared command coming from the room TV will go to all the devices and the AV receiver for a full and simple control. On the other side of the cable, connect the TV's IR blaster port. Our IR hub kit also includes one digital eye in case your TV does not have one. In this case, position the room digital eye on a corner of your TV with the self-adhesive sticker. Then connect the Fibercommand XG Advanced Link to the eye on the back of the TV. And now you will be able to control your entire system with any universal remote control you like. The Fibercommand XG supports long-distance audio return channels to play movie sound from your smart TV over the AV receiver with full quality and Dolby Atmos. These and many other future-proof reasons are why you should prefer the Fibercommand XG fiber optic HDMI cable for your top quality entertainment. XG, the best HDMI cable on the market.